Alright, welcome to a tutorial video showing you guys how to upload songs for us to do the mixing on. And this project pretty much is a simple process. I'm just going to show you how you can save your project down and then get it emailed to us over Dropbox. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure you have your audio files viewing. That's this button right over here if you see it. So it's gone right there. You click this right here, show your audio files. And then it's real simple. You go Command-Shift-U. That's for Mac users. It'll be Control-Shift-U for Windows. But Command-Shift-U, that highlights all your unused audio files. Once you've got those selected, Command-Shift-B or Control-Shift-B for Windows. And that will ask you to remove or delete the unused files. What this does is basically tidy up the project so that we don't have a whole bunch of unnecessary files. Just makes the storage easier as far as sending it and for us for receiving it, and just declutters the whole thing. It's probably safer to use remove than to delete, because delete's going to be permanently getting rid of all those takes. But just go ahead and click remove. You see that a lot of the audio files and regions have disappeared. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is you go up to File, click Save Copy In, and if we're going to do the session format Pro Tools 5.1 to 6.9 session, basically this just makes it because if you're using a higher version of Pro Tools, it doesn't always open up in the lower versions. Some people are using Pro Tools 11, 10, we're using 9, and I still know studio guys are using 7 and even earlier, just mainly because it works good for you. Why mess with something that's good, you know? But other than that, you want to do the Pro Tools 5.1 to 6.9 session, and then make sure you go check this all audio files and items to copy. This is going to make sure that all the audio files that make up your project are included in the folder. Then you're going to click OK. Basically, it's going to ask you where you want to save it. I'm just going to save it to the desktop for now, just for convenience. Click Save, click Yes, and it's going to go down there. And it's going to take a little while depending on how long your session is. Alright, so I've already went ahead and I've done that. So now I'm just going to minimize that so you can see where I've got it set up. I've got it set up right here, it's on the desktop, and you're pretty much ready to send it off now. If you open up the file, you'll see it's got the session right there, and then it's got the audio files that compose the session. Basically, it's just going to make it so I have everything I need to mix down your song. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to send us the payment and then email us and basically let us know that you've done that. And we've got that on our website on matrixbeats.com or InTheMatrixRecordings.com. We've got two different sites. You can do that. We'll send you the link to our Dropbox. And as far as Dropbox, it's going to be very simple. You're going to open up the Dropbox folder, and then you're going to take your file and just drag and drop. And when you drop it in there, it's going to show this blue icon right here. And that's basically telling you that it's still uploading to the Dropbox, and it will be there shortly. As soon as you see a green check mark, that's when you know it's done. You can also click on that and it'll tell you what it's doing right now, uploading the 17 files. It tells you how long it's got left. So when you see the green check mark, it's all said and done. Like I said, just make sure we'll check it and make sure you let us know that you sent it, and we'll get ready to mix down your song and send you back the finished version. Alright, thanks again.